Thing. Morning, people. Right, I am teaching Zed her name, which is ZED, and I'd like you all to have a look at a channel called I Am Leo, and this is where I got this idea. So I have very scrappily, using just paper and some blue tack, stuck ZED on the wall. Okay, so we are going to teach Zed, and yes, I'm using a clicker. Hey, shocker! Because this is precise work. Right. That's it. Target Z. Yes. Good girl. Now, she's never done this before, okay? I only saw this yesterday and I was so impressed. I thought, oh, I've got to teach her that. Target Z. Yes. Of course, I'm marking with the yes as well, but it's a double reinforcement, really. So I'm just working on the Z at the moment, or Z as we call it here, but for spelling I'm using the word Z. Target Z, yes. Good, Z. Good girl. Target Z, yes. Good girl. No. Target Z, yes. Good girl. So I think we can safely say she knows what Z is. I think she's actually just targeting to the left, to be honest. Right, 30 seconds. Target yes. Oh, that was a lot for that. Target Target yes. Good. Target yes. Target yes. Target yes. Target, right, Z, listen. Target Z, yes. Sorry, this weight is me faffing about in my food bag because it's very fatty, this meat. I don't know what it is. It's either lamb or duck. Target yes. Right, so she's got Z and E, or Z and E. Let's just keep it in Z language for the moment. Target D, yes. Please remember, she's never ever done this before. I mean, she knows target work, obviously, being a service and medical assist dog, but this is very precise. Target D, yes. Target yes. Target Z, yes. Target D, yes. Good girl. Good girl. You're a smart ass little bitch, aren't you, actually? It makes me sick. I thought this was going to be a challenge. Z, target D, yes. Yes, I am pointing because she's never done it before. Eventually we'll be able to do it slightly different. Z, yes. Target yes. Well, that was a bit unsure. No. Yes. Target yes. Good. Target Z. No. Target Z. Yes. Good girl. No, that's my computer. Get off. Sorry about that, peeps. There was a dog barking outside. Right, back to work. Z. Yes. Good. No, Z. Don't bite it off. Yes. D. No. Z. D. Yes. Good girl. Let me get down here so it helps you a little bit. I don't like standing over you. Just a bit dog, really. And put stilts on you. Right, you ready? Focus. E. Target E. Yes. Target D. Yes. Target Z. Yes. Target Z. No, it said. Do you know how long I spent cutting these out, you little monster, and colouring them in, you horrible dog? Which way does the Z go round? That's just worrying that I even have to think about that. It goes round that way. Now, Zedley, you learned a long time in the past. This door is filthy anyway, people, so it doesn't matter. See, now it won't stick. Zedley, you ruin everything I do, don't you? She goes, no, Mummy. I enhance your life. You do. You do. I'm sorry. I'm going to stick this up. Don't eat that. That's blue tack. I think that's just going to stick there with dog slobber, actually. It does this work. That's just worrying. Right. Target Z. Target E. No. Target E. Yes. Target D. No. D. Z. D. Target D. Yes. Come round. You're stretching so far. Target Z. Yes. Target E. Yes. Target D. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Right, we'll try one more time and then we're going to call this quits because it's the first time you've done this. Clearly I'm going to have to make these out of cardboard and put something better on the back. Right, turn, come here, turn. Right, target D. Yes. Target E. No. Target E. Target E. Yes. Target Z. No, back said. Target Z. Z. Yes. Good. And so this will go on and on and on until she learns correctly how to do this. So we'll do it one more time. Turn. Come here, darling. Good girl. No, turn. Close, Mummy. Tuck in. Z, tuck in. Right. Target E. Yes. Target D. Yes. Target Z. Yes. Good girl. And before anybody says I've got a dirty door, I'm very aware of it. But you try living with the amount of dogs I have that shake when they're coming out of the rains. Good girl. So, right, let's just waddle over here with the computer. Waddle. That's me doing the waddling. Ooh, have I got this on mute? Oh, please don't say I've had that on mute. Zed, come. I think we've done something very strange with our computer. Would you pack it in? I think I've done something very strange with my computer. I've got a nasty feeling this has been on mute the whole way through. Right, come here. Come. And sit. Come close. Come close. Come close. Are you ready, Zeddy? Zed. Wavy. Bye, people. Please like, share, and subscribe. Zeddy. She's got to have a scratch, hasn't she? She's no manners. She says I'm rude, poking my tongue out. Sit. Wavies. Bye, people. Like, share, subscribe. Keep waving. Bye.